I'm going to make a snack that is chatpata, tasty and appropriate for Vrat. We're making sweet potato chaat today. Let's see how it's done. Let's start by preparing a spice mix that not only will be used in this chaat but can also be used for your other fasting recipes. I'm going to start by roasting some cumin seeds. This is 3 tablespoons of jeera, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Keep tossing it around. As soon as the jeera is golden brown and aromatic, you can take it off the pan. I'm going to let this cool completely. Once the jeera and black pepper have cooled down, add it to the jar of a mixer grinder. 1 teaspoon of black salt. Our spice mix is now ready. This goes beautifully with raitas and chas, but you can also use it for your other fasting recipes. Now let's move on to the hero of our dish. This is 250 grams of sweet potato that I have boiled in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. I'm going to cut it halfway first, and then I'm going to cut large chunks out of it. I'm going to saute the sweet potato in a little bit of ghee. Add the chunks one at a time. Although sauteing the sweet potato is optional, I would highly recommend it because it adds a beautiful crunchy texture on the outside. The sweet potato has sauteed very well in the pan. Now I'm going to take it off in a bowl. Our ghee sauteed sweet potatoes are now ready. They smell absolutely delicious. I'm going to start by sprinkling our spice mix first. I'm using around 1 teaspoon of the spice mix. I've thinned down the chutney quite a bit. Use as much water as you like. 2 tablespoons of the tamarind and date chutney. You can add in the ingredients based on your liking. Now to add lots of texture, I'm going to add in some peanuts, a little bit of toasted sesame seeds, squeeze in a little bit of lemon. Finish it off with some pomegranate pearls or seeds. Use a spatula to toss it around so that the sweet potato does not break, because now that we've added a little bit of the chutney, it has become a little soft, and now it's time to serve it. Time to garnish this. I'm going to add few more toasted peanuts, adding in a few more pomegranate seeds. Vrat wala save, that is some toasted sesame seeds. Finishing it off with a pinch of our homemade masala. The next time you're fasting during Navratri, do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.